But why? Why did evolution, over millions of years, design a species that literally dies if it doesn't shut down every night? Sleep is not rest. It's an emergency maintenance mode. Every night, your brain performs over 20,000 biochemical repairs you don't even notice. During deep sleep, the glymphatic system flushes out toxic proteins like beta amyloid, the same waste that causes Alzheimer's. During sleep, the brain performs synaptic homeostasis, trims unnecessary neural connections, strengthens important ones, prevents brain overload. Sleep converts short-term memory into long-term storage, organizes learning, improves decision-making. Sleep recalibrates emotional centers, reduces stress hormones, improves emotional control, prevents anxiety escalation. Sleep drops heart rate, blood pressure, and sympathetic fight-flight drive. Poor sleep means greater risk of hypertension, greater heart attack risk, greater stroke risk. Sleep boosts T cells, antibody formation, infection resistance. Poor sleep equals more infections, slower recovery. Sleep activates DNA repair enzymes, therefore reduces oxidative stress and slows cell aging. Sleep regulates insulin, cortisol, and leptin, and ghrelin hunger hormones. Poor sleep means weight gain, diabetes risk, hormonal chaos. Sleep improves reaction time, coordination, attention, judgment.